Yeah, what's good, y'all? Y'all know the deal. Cross country cypher time. Cross country cypher time, y'all. Some underground underdogs, dirt on the beat, y'all. So ride with us real quick as we ride coast to coast, west to east, south to north. Come on. Yo, you know Meta ready to roll, so move to the side or get bruised when crews collide. My peeps been creeping, keeping creative, contagious, genius gleaming, seeping out speaker boxes on the street blocks and got you nodding non-stop to this hip-hop. You're getting hit with upside your noggin, cause I got a pocket loaded with stones, Fanny Giant trying to stop it.
What's poppin'? I don't know, that's why I ask so often. Crash with a stash of classic beat stomping. Ever since a brother hurt straight out of Compton, I laid out a comment to keep the room romping. Baby, move something, but don't remove nothing. Don't act like you whack and you gotta prove love, and be smooth with the roughness. That's church, it behooves you to does it.
See, it's this figurative speech and rhyme patterns compete to complete thoughts implicit on the words that I speak. It's ingenious, the levels that I visit and reach, from the breach of the cross to inflict them at the peaks, like I'm ahead of my time and I'm ahead of they rhymes. Connect this soul to spirit like they head and they spine. This rap music redefined from my Detroit shine. This cross country representing, putting change in their minds.
Next page, coming from the most southern US state, it's Mr. SOS, represents 5th grade. And to this day, not too many wanna come against me, cause I get down deeper than x-rays. Fake rappers holla get paid when the end of their songs the only time they ever seen a fresh fade. I'm with the best day, so when you see Dr. Strangelove with a French maid, then it's checkmate.
I'm a stone's throw from the boondocks, skip jump to the outskirts. Funny how underground's only bumped out in the burbs. Still I write within these city limits, but I ain't limited in just my city. Deliver wherever people are digging to listen. Got a grip of CDs, thrown in envelopes so hopes to go across the globe to folks. Still I hold it down around my way. PENNSYLVANIA.
Now I was on the battle tip much longer than the average kid, so you don't wanna get involved like a pacifist. All my raps will rip through your ego like a javelin through your abdomen. I have no equals, do the math at 0 and I'm back again, representing the chapter 1-3. What's sad is rappers never listen till after they're hung clean, like a batch of laundry to dry. Cause cats is hungry, so they act funny no matter how awful they rhyme.
Vocabulary explode. Behold, the son of man, watch me unfold. Something like a summer jam, I'm ghetto gold. Bounce back like rubber bands, watch me reload. I'll leave the exposed to eat my foes. From head to my toes, the beat will be closed. None of these sucker MCs be left standing. Lyrics leave MCs behind like Kirk Cameron.
I enter in grandstanding, cast the shadow of a giant with no band, just ink-stained hands and a mic with a slight lean to the left, right. Mean when I connect these words that reflect life, serve and protect mics. Direct aim at the crown, spit flame and make sure that they light up for those who know not who we are. Capturing cast met across country track stars.
Indiana born and raised, yep, there's more than corn around here. Clowns fearing downstairs whenever my sound's near. I'm fine with my tribe, coincides with the drum track. We run laps around you silly suckers rocking Dutch caps. Crumbs lack, we bump raps to keep the crowd attentive. Now saints alive, they loud and hype, my rhymes provide incentive. Rhyme wise, getting illy with one scribbling idiot. We killing it, don't even try, you can't deny you're feeling it.
Oh, they feeling it? Yes. North, south, east, and west, the best of the best come alive and refresh. This one man's trash is another one's blessing. I'm questing for another tribe worth contesting. Ain't one. Deep spaces under the sun. Cross country sending words, heart pumping the drum. Dart sharp on the tongue, bullseye when they run. North Texas in the cypher, Bubba, come and get some.
And get sun by this legend from the field. We're the real last, that's why I feel cast out traveling the map and back to the mighty old like outcasts all across the globe. All of y'all should know what two-tone sees firsthand at home. So open your retinas and recognize these veterans and wrecking mics. Now let it ride.
Run the track across country. 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 Run the track across country.